Hello again. This lesson is easy, so listen, then speak to me. When there is one general person, place, or thing that is not a name, we put a before it. Listen. I am a teacher. He is a cook. She is Elizabeth. It is a book. I am Amy. He is a waiter. You are a student. It is a calculator. Now, because Amy and Elizabeth are names, we do not need a before them. Remember, we use a when we are talking about only one general person, place, or thing that is not a name. Okay, now you can do it. Put an a in the sentence before a single person, place, or thing that is not a name. If the sentence doesn't need a, leave the line blank. Try this. I'm a teacher. He's a cook. She's Elizabeth. It's a book. I'm Amy. He's a waiter. You're a student. It's a calculator. They're alligators. The boys are soccer players. The last two sentences are plural. There is more than one alligator and soccer player. Now you see that only single people, places, and things need a. Also, names do not need a. Sometimes, instead of a, we need to put an before one general person, place, or thing that is not a name. A computer, a dollar, a minute, a cat, a job. But look at these words: an apple, an egg, an ice cube, an orange, an umbrella. As you can see, we use an when the next word starts with an A, E, I, O, or U sound. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Learn these letters and the sounds they make too. That is an orange. This is a pear. That is an ice cube. This is a chair. That is an apple. This is an egg. That is an umbrella. This is a leg. Leg, chair and pear don't start with an A, E, I, O, U sound, so they need a, not an. All right, now it's time for you to try. Choose a or an. That is an orange. This is a pear. That is an ice cube. This is a chair. That is an apple. This is an egg. That is an umbrella. This is a leg. Now try this. I'm an angel. Harry is a doctor. Lisa is an eye doctor. It's an umbrella. You're an intelligent student. Nancy is a cook. It's an orange. You're an hour late. Remember, I said the sound of A, E, I, O, U. The H in hour is silent. Hour begins with an O sound. Good job! Now remember, we use a and an when there is only one general person, place, or thing that is not a name. See you soon!